Do the wave. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ciao. We got a baby otter on the way. As a trader, it's not meant to be easy. Oh my god.
What?
Otter gang. I gotta look at the camera, right? Otherwise it looks stupid. Like if I'm like vlogging like this and looking over here.
Yeah, you don't want to look over here.
Okay. You want to be in the vlog? I'm hiding you right now.
Not really.
Do you want to say hello? You want to just wave?
Hello.
Perfect. I got you. I got you. Grandma says my vlogging must be candid. I have to be sneaky. I have to be like doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo.
You should have been an actor.
I should have. A Shakespearean actor. Hey, Luigi. Hey, do you like the basement?
What did I do?
You-
What did I do?
Do you like the basement?
Yes, I do.
Huh.
Why? What's wrong with it?
It's gonna be beautiful. We are going to show you what we're doing because we came home to take care of our grandparents. So they're my grandparents, but they're Amy's as well. We're getting married in August, if you guys didn't know that. However, unfinished basement. We want our own place. We were gonna go and rent. We've been renting for years now. It's not like we can't go and rent. Okay, we're not taking advantage of my grandparents. However, we help them. We do groceries. We do blah, 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 blah. Okay, so it's very good. My grandfather had a couple falls. So you guys love Nonno. We love Nonno. However, I am a carpenter by trade. So we're going to show you here. I'm going to flip it around. And I have started framing. So here we go. Here's a walkthrough. So we got, our electrical panel. We have all this framing that I've done with my friend, with the help of my friend. However, I am a carpenter by trade, also a day trader. However, I wanted to break away from doing the 9 to 5. So I've been framing this out so that we can build a beautiful, beautiful downstairs area where we can reside. So hopefully we can track the progress. So initially I wanted to put a kitchen over here against this wall so you can see that's kind of going to be where the living room is. And I need to put a drain. Now, in a basement, you need to break concrete and you need to connect the drain to a main exit, to a waste. Not a storm drain, but a waste drain, where the gross stuff goes. When, Bitcoin has a dump kind of deal. So I am now having to hammer drill in, break concrete, and make a trench to where I've done a locate to where the plumber says the waste thing is. So I'm going to dig my tunnel to China, and here's my tunnel. So as you can see, I have started to remove. I have broken through, and I need to go all the way to where the office is. Yes, we do lift occasionally, but right now we break concrete. So this is what I'm stuck with. So we have to trench and connect these pipes because I want the kitchen over there. So I have to go all the way across this dang floor here, from here all the way across to here, which I haven't started that crazy process yet, all the way into my beautiful office. There's my Bowflex weights that we talked about, into the trading den. Now I've taken over Mrs. Otter's place, but you know what? Here we are. I mean, how can it get any better than being on the charts, watching B the Trader? This trader makes 100K in 30 minutes a day. Sounds like a goal to me. You let me know. It is Saturday. We might get into some trading. Bitcoin's got a little bit of a little double top here going on. Looking for that bearish divergence. Let's see if we get it. We're looking at the 15. It's coming up here. We got a higher high. Probably going to continue upwards. We'll see. However, you guys asked for these vlogs. We're giving you them. So you may be asking me what's the point of these vlogs, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted me to document this renovation, which I believe is important to me, and it lets me connect with you guys and bring you into my life a little bit and share as a content creator, Market Cipher and all my trade setups and stuff like that. We get to have fun on the lives and we get to share some alpha and all these things, but also letting you guys into my life is very important to kind of share and be transparent and be honest with you guys. I think that's going to be a running theme of this channel going forward. to change the way people behave in the crypto area is going to be important. It's important to me. It's an important mission for me, right? So if I can promote some good, healthy honesty, transparency, and kindness, I think it can ripple through the ethos of the crypto industry. But also, like, we're here to make money, right? And for me, the trading journey has been up and down. And just recently, you know, like not even 4 or 5 months ago, I've gone full-time trading and then crypto as well and YouTube. So it's like, it's a lot, right? And it's a lot to bring you guys in. And if you are new to this channel, I just want to welcome you and thank you for believing in me and also allowing me to believe in you. They say natural light is the best. So look at me standing in front of the window like a vlogger. We got a Sony ZV-1 camera. We got the microphone. Hopefully it all sounds good and crispy. Hopefully we can do some cool transitions and, you know, make it a little bit spicy for the Otter Gang, all right? Are you gonna go downstairs?
Yeah.
Fuma?
Si.
Si? Ciao. Arrivederci?
No.
No? Just gonna go for a smoke?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going down or what?
Now it's a move.
Okay, hit the button.
One button.
Yeah, it's going.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Do the wave. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao. Well, it's the next day and we're about to go live and do the announcement video, so you guys will already know what the announcement is that we
are having a baby.
We're having a baby. Lights, camera, action. Got all the lights ready to go. Got the charts, done the thumbnail, checked for any important news. It's Sunday. We out here, we ready. Let's get it. We'll see you on the live. Peace. This is part of my vlog. Say hello, Army Piper.
Hello, Army Piper.
Bitcoin is all the way up at 57,000, baby. Wild. You want your name in the vlog, right? Your name will be in the vlog. Yeah. The late night Otter Gang loyalty. Love you all, man. So today we hit 64,000, which is pretty remarkable. But then we got the massive dump afterwards. So this goes to show you, you know, it's not easy being a trader. I know there's a lot of people who did get wrecked today, and whether it blew through your stop loss, whether you're buying the top, whatever it was, it's not easy. So as a trader, it's not meant to be easy, right? It's not meant to be easy. What I've learned over the year, and it's really about managing that risk, managing that excitement, that euphoria, because, you know, we're all here to make money, right? However, we are competing against one another, and we're also looking to extract those profits and keep those profits, and keeping them is going to be the hardest thing. Just like this, when we're building something like this beautiful basement renovation, we've done the walls, we run into problems, right? And as decision makers in building, you know, we get like some crazy bulkhead shit going on here. Whatever it is, we have to make decisions that are going to make it easy for ourselves. And in trading, it's the exact same thing, where we need to have a plan, have our risks set up, have an idea of which direction the market's going to go, right? So like for me, I always talk to you guys about having the plan, but asking yourselves before you even click that button is, where are you? Where are you at in the trade? What are you looking for? What is the setup? And how is that going to be influencing the way you're trading today? What's your sentiment, right? You don't want to lose your fingers, right? You don't want to lose your fingers. So let's try and not get bitten by the the market maker, whatever you want to call it. I think the hardest battle is against ourselves, right? So I'm going to continue right now today. I got to chip out this floor. So I've started here. We're going to do it in the good old Nike slides, right? I've started here. This is where my sink's going to go. So we're going to put a kitchen in here. We got my workout bench. There's the trading setup down there. We got the entrance over here. Okay, so we are going to drill a trench. Instead of jackhammering this and cutting it with a concrete saw, I don't want to make too much mess. We've done some surgery here. Here's where my pipe is, okay? So this is for my drain. I got to get here through the concrete. Got to trench all the way through. I've chalked some lines. I'm going to start smashing some concrete, and I'll see you guys at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time today for the live stream. So we made our money today. Crazy, crazy day. FOMO, you name it. Now let's get back to doing some good old hard labor to benefit our future, because we got a baby otter on the way. And if you aren't liking and subscribing to this video, I don't know what else to do, man. I'm running around. I'm building a basement. I'm doing the renovation. I'm doing the morning updates. I'm doing the live streams. And I keep showing up for you guys. So let's keep getting it. Let's make that money. The bull run is just beginning. Much love to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog.